Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the aggregator transformation. It is one of the most basic transformation used in PowerCenter, and very frequently asked in the interviews. First of all, the aggregator transformation performs aggregate calculations, also known as column-level operation. In total there are 11 operations which an aggregator can perform. These are sum, count, max, min, average, median, first, last, variance, standard deviation, and percentile. You can perform aggregation, either on entire data or groups of data using the group by action. Secondly, it is an active transformation, because it changes the number of rows. Finally, when you use aggregator, you must think about session performance. The most basic way to improve the performance of an aggregator is to reduce the number of rows it has to process. Use a filter or a SQL override to reduce the number of rows. The number of rows can be further reduced by using conditional clauses in your aggregator expressions. Another important thing you can do is to provide sorted input to your aggregator. And please do not forget to select sorted input option in case you do. Data must be sorted by columns which are the selected group by ports as well. If possible, try to sort the data at the database level using a SQL override in your source qualifier. But remember, you can do this only if your source is a relational database and not a flat file. One final thing you can do to improve aggregator performance is to adjust the size of aggregator cache. If your aggregator is performing slow even after all previously mentioned options, you might need to increase the size of aggregator's data and index caches in the transformation properties. Because if the cache is not large enough, the integration service will store the overflow data in the disk, and then it will have to page the disk during the workflow multiple times. And now bonus points to take note of: output of aggregator may not be sorted. So don't assume that. Use a sorter after aggregator. If you need sorted output from your aggregator, you cannot use sorted input option in case you are performing either nested or incremental aggregation or the source data is data-driven. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. And good luck with your interview. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe.